Some movement on marijuana in the Texas legislature as the House just passed a bill to change how the state enforces laws for possession of cannabis. House Bill 218 makes it so anyone caught with up to an ounce of marijuana would face a Class C misdemeanor charge. That would mean no jail time and a fine only. Class B misdemeanor would be between 1 and 2 ounces. Class A misdemeanor for anything between 2 and 4 ounces. Anything over 4 would start getting into different felony levels. It now moves on to the Senate. To give you an idea of what Texans think, this is what a poll out of the University of Houston discovered at the start of the year. More than 80% said possession of small amounts of marijuana should be punishable only by citation and a fine. 2/3 of those surveyed approved legalizing marijuana for those 21 and up.